of the following. Now, this is a common question, and there are four sub questions to this. So, first is this, it's a cube, right? 10, 5, and 8. So, surface area is to be found out. What is surface area? The surface means what we can see from outside, this all faces. So, what are these? 2 into 10 into 5, 1 into 2. Why 2? Because 1 on this side, other on that side. Similarly, 5 by 8, 1 on this side, other on this side, and this top and bottom 10 by 8. Okay, so that's why 2 into total of all these, so it becomes 50 plus 40 plus 80, right? That is 340 square centimeters when you multiply it by 2. So that is the total surface area. Next, the surface area of the cylinder. What is given? Diameter is 21, height is 9. So we have to find the surface area. Radius equals to d by 2, that is 21 by 2, and height is 9. Okay, let's start. See this, total surface area means top plus bottom plus this side, right? Top, bottom and side. So what is the top? Top means this area, pi r square, right? Pi into 21 by 2 the whole square. Bottom means same, pi into 21 by 2 the whole square, right? Because the radius is same on both the sides. Now side, what is this side? This height into circumference. So what is this? What is the circumference? Pi into d. So pi into 21 into height 9, right? Pi dh, that is basically the surface area of this standing side. Okay, so let's move on. 21 square is 441, so 441 upon 4 pi plus 441 upon 4 pi. So if you add this, it becomes 441 upon 2 into pi plus 189 pi, right? So let's solve this. Divide this. It 220.5 into pi plus 189 pi, right? Add this. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.